Okay. Here's Junior. I got Junior up here yesterday. Yes. Him and Birdie and Fish are going Tuesday. And then when they come back, Junior will be inside for about another day or two, and then I'm going to let him back out there with Red and his brother Duncan, because I got to get Duncan and Zebra. They will be the last. Well, I got Squirrel downstairs, but so Squirrel, Duncan, and Zebra will be the last ones for me to catch and get them all, get those 3 neutered. But I already have Squirrel, and I know I'm not going to get Duncan if Junior ain't down there with him. And then over here, yes, over here, here's Birdie. She's a girl. She's petrified, but she won't, she's not mean. She doesn't growl. She doesn't hiss. She just kind of tenses up when you touch her. So you can pet her. She doesn't really care for all that, but what she does like is if you come down here and you get underneath her chin. Now that she likes. Ain't that right, Birdie Bird? Ain't that right, Birdie Bird? And then Fish, look at him. Is that just not freaking adorable? He's cross-eyed. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but his eyes are actually only like half the size of everyone else's, of a normal cat. That now he's Squirrel's brother. Him and Squirrel, I don't know if they were the only 2, but they're the only 2 living from PeeWee. And Fish, see, he knows his name, Fishy Fish. He's like 4 times bigger than Squirrel. Squirrel was just really, really sick. But he's pulled through and he's gaining weight. He ain't all that cute, but he might turn out to be handsome. Probably not, but anyway. Okay, so Birdie, Fish, Fish, Fishy Fish. That's a fishy fish. That's a fishy fish. That's a fishy fish. It's a fishy fish. Fishy fish. Hey. Oh. Look at me with your good eye. Oh, he's just so adorable. Birdie. Birdie, it's all right, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So when they come back on Wednesday, they'll all get a flea pill, and after a couple of days, Junior here will go back out so he can be with his brother, so I'll have a shot at catching him. And Birdie will go downstairs into my bathroom with PeeWee, and then Fish, he will just go with everyone else downstairs with his brother and all the other multicolored ones. Ain't that right, fishy fish? Yeah, it's a fishy fish. He's like, woman, I am trying to sleep. Leave me alone. Oh, and he has like a water fetish. I don't know what it is. Every toy I bring up here ends up in the water bowl. And then when I take it out of the water bowl, it's like as soon as it gets dry, he puts it right back in the water bowl. There you go, baby. Yeah, it's my fishy fish. He's a fishy fish. It's a fishy fish. Oh, it's okay, Birdie. It's okay, honey. She's like, if I turn my back to her and I don't look at her, she's not going to notice me and she's going to go away. Okay. All right, baby. Okay. Junior. At least one of you is cleaning yourselves. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's my Junior. Oh, I'm about to fall off the tub. Yeah, there you go. That's my Junior. That's my Junior. That's my Junior. You'd never know that he and Duncan were brothers. Duncan is like Birdie. He won't come. You take one step towards him and he just darts off. And this little guy right here, he's just so loving. Yes, get that purr box going, young man. Yes, get that purr box going. Yes. It's okay. We got you. We got you. Yeah. All right. I'll be back up in just a little bit. Fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that face. You know I'm not making fun of you. You're like, yeah, right. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Ain't that right? Say, ain't that right? Do. Fish. Oh my God. Hey, Birdie. Birdie bird. Birdie bird. Birdie bird. I know, baby. I know. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah, I'm not fond of climbing the stairs to come up here all the time. So if she goes downstairs into my bathroom with PeeWee, at least for a couple of days, and be with PeeWee, then I'll get the opportunity to pet her much more often. So,